Professional photography will be taken on Friday 06/19. Home will be available for showings starting Monday 06/22. In the city of Hastings you will find a lovely 4-bedroom or 3 with office and 2 full bath home. Large primary bedroom, 3 bedrooms, full bath with laundry. Large kitchen, updated appliances, pantry cupboards, and off-kitchen mudroom to garage. The character and charm that surrounds this home from the moment you walk in through the front door. You will have a large living room with engineered hardwood flooring, bay window overlooking the back patio pool area, terraced backyard, pool house with bathroom and privacy fence surrounding the backyard. Home is close to schools, hospital, gyms, shopping, dining and all great things in the downtown shopping district. Hastings and Barry Country is attractive for its thriving community, abundance of lakes, parks, recreation and so much more.